everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin with Yarn, and I thought I would come in and do this short little video because I'm going to have some work done. Maintenance guy will be coming in, and then I have a Zoom call later, but I just wanted to make sure I said hello to you guys, and that I want, my goal was to do something once a month. I still haven't crocheted not one thing, have not finished the sweater. I decided on the Christmas blanket that I started when Kim at the Crafty Nomad, when she had her blanket challenge or thing going on. I just stopped that and made it into a wrap. I'm not good with blankets. So anyway, if you're new, I'd like to thank you guys. Thank you for being here. If you're returning, I'd like to embrace you and thank you for coming back. I did not, like I said, I haven't made anything, so this is probably going to be like maybe 5 minutes, if that. So let me get started on what actually I'm working on. This is my my craft table right here. Yeah. And I am working on a puzzle, and I'll put that up later at the end, or definitely it'll be on Instagram. So a couple of things that I about what have you done? That's the thing. What have you guys done? Because you guys are busy. I know times are very turbulent. um, so I only purchased a few items. It's a little harder finding stuff that you guys have done, because I assume a lot of people don't want to make stuff because it'll just be sitting in their homes or in their stores and it's not moving, so they only take orders. And I don't really have anything that I need. I don't really need anything, but I'm supporting the community. So a few things that I found I want to share with you guys. One, and then a couple of things that I bought. I stopped at the secondhand store and I purchased some items, and then there's a Hobby Lobby in my area. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased a few little items here. So let's start with the first thing. This is from Brooke Adams. Fully Spun. And what I purchased from her is a pen. It is so cute. Man, I have a collection going on now. I'm gonna have to crochet when I gotta be able to crochet something, you guys. But like a little panel, so I can put all my pins on, because I did lose that one, but I did find it, and I didn't bring it to show you. If you watched a couple of episodes back on What Have You Done? Now this one is fully spun, and this is very nice. This is the doctor of yarn and yarny things, I assume. I hope you can see that. Yeah, look at that. That is a very good pen. It has one hook on the back. I haven't opened it. I should have brought the scissors over. That would have been nice. Okay. Did not plan that right, did I? Well, and I have a broken nail. My nails, they grow and then they break. And my hands are always in water. Oh, it has two on there. I'm sorry. This is what it looks like. Oh, isn't that nice? In the back, so it's gonna stay. I did purchase one from someone and it fell off. It just kept falling off because it was too heavy and it only had one closure on the back. So that is really nice. I like that. Thank you, Brooke. And yeah. So let's see, what have you done? Well, let me see. What have you done? What is her name? Oh, I can't get her name, but it has a card in here. Hallmarks. Very nice. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Expressions by Hallmark. This is, thank you for choosing Latoya Creatings for your something needs. Enjoy your wares. Anyway, it's nice. I can't understand her writing, but it's very fancy writing. So that has nothing to do with her. It is definitely me. She, look how this was. I had to open it with you guys. It is so beautifully wrapped. Oh my gosh. Thank you. She has a YouTube channel. I'll put her information below. She does, she has a whole channel of earrings and items like bracelets. I think maybe necklace. I'm not sure. And she has a motivational channel. I mean, on that channel, she also does motivational. So if you need a little pep me up and, you know, you're feeling a little bad, I would say go and hear a few things that she have to say, you know. Yeah. I can't remember her name, but I will put it in the description box below, and I will definitely tell you it's the one in the box. I just can't, I can't understand, I just can't, I can't read it, but look how well this is wrapped. That is gorgeous. I forgot what I bought, but I know I'm going to love it. I know they're earrings, I know that much. At least one of them, one pair. Okay, let's see what this is, you guys. Oh my Lord. Oh, it's one pair. It's one pair of very large earrings. Can I get away with it now? I'm getting a little bold now. I think Tina at Rose Craft by These Rose, she got me hooked on the large earrings. I didn't think I could pull it off. I thought they might have been too heavy. But wearing hers, I love wearing hers. I keep talking about her because that is actually my favorite place. And I haven't been able to purchase from her. She'll be next on my list. I've talked about her over and over. These are, they're really big. You do get a closure on the back, which is good. And you guys know I've never seen me in anything this big. But wear it, girl. Okay. Oh, they feel heavy. I would have to, these are very heavy for me. I do have two holes. I think I would put it in the upper hole. And I mean, if you, let's see, I don't use this upper hole that much. There it go. Yeah, I would probably wear it in my second hole. I got my ears pierced when I was young. My mother was so mad. A cousin did it, and she was very angry. So this is what the earrings look like. I didn't think they were that big, but they're really nice. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. That's why I bought them. Okay. That is really, really beautiful. It actually goes with my little necklace here that I wear all the time and don't take off. This is so beautiful. Okay. I have to get me a nice little brown outfit. Maybe a little brown and gold, you know? Maybe for the holidays. Now see this second hole right here. On this side, oh, I don't know if it's gonna work, you guys. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Now I have to play with that one. Get a little, there we go. Okay. What do you guys think? Oh, these are cute. Oh, I would have to get used to feeling this on my neck. And the problem I've been having with the earrings is that my mask has been getting caught in the curled ones, especially the ones that I've made. So this is what it looked like. Okay, how do I look? I just had a birthday, you guys. And, yeah. Am I getting older? I have no makeup on. So what do you guys think? These are beautiful. I love them. I just have to get used to feeling them on my neck. I like the way they're painted in the back, so you don't have just one side. They were very, very, oh, I really do like these. I can get away with that in my second hole. If my husband could see me now, wouldn't this be something? Something just popped up. He would love this. And I love this right here. Isn't that cute? So that would be a nice little choker to go with the earrings. Nah, too light. Yeah, I tried. And let me see. So what else do I have? So thank you. Oh man, I can see her face. I can hear her voice. I just cannot, I cannot read her writing. Okay? That's all it is. I cannot read her. Oh, it's okay, I'm going to have to, LaJoytra. I want to say LaJoytra Creations. Here it go right here. Pop over to her, where is it? It's right here. Okay, there it go. Yeah, really nice, you guys. Very, very nice. Now, I'm going to keep these on for the little rest of this little episode. So what I got at Hobby Lobby was, they were on sale, I think, for $4. I got some of these papers. I don't know what, you know, I'm trying to do my scrapbooking because this has been an amazing year, and I have printed some things off my telephone. I should have brought you guys the pictures of what I printed, and I think I'm going to put this in my scrapbook. Now, it's not a fancy scrapbook. It's just a book that my son had gave me, and I'm just going to glue this onto it. So I have not went out and spent any money on any of this right here. So that's pretty much what it looks like. Gold polka dots, and this one is pretty. So I purchased 4 of those. And then I purchased these bumblebees because something I learned from one of my spiritual teachers is that bumblebees, they can recognize faces. And the question was, you know, that's very unique, because why would they need that? And they're very smart and they're very organized. And we look at our society today and we see what's going on. So the bees got us outdone. But I thought that was so cute. That's what made me think of that, how smart the bees was. That's why I bought that. Then I bought this one here. I bought, of course, a blue one, because you guys know that's my favorite color. And I figured if you got the bees and the flowers, you gotta get something that looks like a fence. So this is all for my scrapbooking right here. And along with that from Hobby Lobby, I purchased some stickers, llamas. Okay. And flowers. When I go up, the light does a funny thing. And then what I got from the secondhand store was oh my goodness, something else I got. Hold on, you guys. Okay, when I was at the secondhand store, I also got, these are the same, they were $1.99, a number 8 clovers knitting, a number 29 inch, a number 15, which is 10 millimeter. I got 2 of those. They were $2 each. And this one was, I think she charged me $2 for that one too. And I got this at the secondhand store. And I also purchased another, this one was 99¢. I counted cross stitch, which I will not, I realize it's counted. That's not going to be fun, but it was 99¢, so I went on and bought it anyway. So those are my items that I purchased, and yeah, pretty much it. I'm still working on something for Miss Setta. I'm almost finished with this item here. I want to send it to her So maybe I'll wait, and when she get it, I hope I'll be finished by the end of the year. It is a cross stitch, okay? I can tell you that much. But I do appreciate the nice packaging. It definitely makes you feel good when your items are packed. I know it's extra cost, and I'm pretty sure that they include that in their pricing. Very beautiful, worth the money, and I am wearing the earrings, okay? So, I do like these. She might have a new customer. You know, sometimes you just have to try stuff and not be closed up. Not be closed up. So what is going on in my life? Nothing new. Working hard. Health-wise, I'm doing fine. Went to the dentist, got a tooth pulled, and I've never went to the dentist and had a tooth pulled, and it still hurt like almost 2 weeks later. That's really bad. Normally, I heal up really quick, but it's still a little sore. Still like have a throbbing at times, so I'm just taking care of my mouth, doing the best that I could with that. And if you guys are not on Instagram, you guys know that either empty nester has passed away. For all you guys who sent her cards and well wishes, and she put up a big fight. She was a really good friend of mine. Matter of fact, she was my #1 friend. We talked on the phone, and the last time I talked to her, oh, I had to get off because I almost cried because they had sent her home from the hospital, and she was pretty angry. She said, they just sent me home to die. You know, that was it. And that was the truth. She was angry, but she was doing well. Her husband was doing his best to take care of her, her family. Her daughter, you know, was going through things with with her baby that had a brain tumor or cancer. I guess that's the same thing. So it was like a double whammy. She was sick, and then she found out her grandson had the tumor, and he was in and out the hospital. I don't know how he's doing, but I am going to miss her so much. I already miss her. You know, she helped me a lot. She talked me through things that I wouldn't have done. She showed me what it was, what it meant to be a strong woman, and to do what you have to do for yourself, to take care of yourself. One thing she told me was when she came out here, she told me I was very closed up, and you know, somebody say something like that, and I'm like, I don't know, you know. But as time went by and more spiritually I've grown, I had shut down on a lot of things in life and a lot of people. And I always think about her saying that, and so I try to open up a little bit more to people. Also, I have 2 cards because I've been trying to send her cards, and I have 2 of them. One right here that I had actually ready to go. All I had to do was put the name on it, and it was for her to just pick her up. There's a little one, then I have another one I was going to send the following week. A little card, a lots of love. So I was going to send that to her. I hope we talked, and I told her my feelings, and I'm going to miss her a lot. And if you want to go back and look at her story, I'll try to link the video below. I do want to send out my love to Edna with, I want to say her video is Edna's World. She lost her husband to cancer, and they're both a young, beautiful couple. So I'm sending you my love, Edna, and I'm sending Ease, her family, I'm sending you guys my love. So that's pretty much it. You guys take care of yourself. Went a bit longer than I wanted to. Until next time, hopefully I'll have something done. I'm still looking at the sweater. Maybe I don't know. I'm not going to make any promises. I'm here, and you guys let me know what you're doing. Send me an email if you make items so I can go to your website and look at your items. And on my next video, I may display it, try it on, talk about it, and I'm not getting paid for this. So you guys, if you know someone that's selling items that's already made, let me know. Okay? Until next time, take care of yourself, be the best that you can, and let's just all hang in here together. You know, that's all we can do. Take care. Bye-bye.